Welcome to CodeThinkers Software Application Academy, where we're excited to introduce our newest course, Fundamentals of Python Programming. This course is designed to teach you the basics of Python programming, from variables and data types to control structures and functions. With our expert instructors and online learning platform, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. At CodeThinkers, we believe that anyone can learn to code. That's why our Fundamentals of Python Programming course is suitable for all levels, whether you're a beginner or have some programming experience. Our flexible online learning format allows you to learn at your own pace, so you can fit your studies around your busy schedule. Our instructors are experienced coders who are passionate about teaching. They'll guide you through the course, offering personalized feedback and support every step of the way. And once you've completed the course, you'll have the skills and confidence to tackle real-world programming challenges and take your career to the next level. So why wait? Enroll in Fundamentals of Python Programming today and join the growing community of code thinkers who are changing the world with their coding skills.